Growing with Lizzie. Yes guys, this is a new video. I thought I'd jump on here and tell you and explain to you and give you a little few tips on how to get your first 100 subscribers. Now, I just want to let you guys know, I heard and I believe this is true, because your first 100 subscribers are always your ride or die subscribers. Yes, they are, because most of them are my friends, my family, and yeah, so with that being said, let me get right into it. And the first thing I would do is to share on your social media pages. Like if you got a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever the social medias may be right now, go ahead, like, you know, advertise it, post your YouTube videos on Facebook, get that out there, tell your friends to share it with their friends, and then it'll go all over the place, and boom, before you know it, 100 will be right there. So that'll be just one of them, one of the little tips. Now I have another tip that I did myself, that I figured this out myself, and I was like, you know, thinking to myself, everybody write, you know, business cards with, you know, with businesses that they may have. So I took a little sheet of paper, I printed out a little something, had my title of my YouTube channel, Growing with Lizzie, plus I had a little description right here of what my channel is about. And also I told them to hit notification, like, subscribe, comment, and share. Very simple, guys. And it says thank you right there, because you want to thank everyone for supporting you and your channel, because that's very important. Now also, you know, you take these papers, and anyone you meet, like say at the grocery store, anywhere on the street you meet someone, anywhere that you go about your day, you meet someone, you strike a conversation, you're like, oh yeah, here you guys go, I have a YouTube channel, so why don't, you know, you support. And then sometimes you find out they have a YouTube channel, so there you go, boom, you support each other. So it's word of mouth. And also you have these, like, you don't have to think, oh, let me write this down on a piece of paper, or oh, let me get a pen, you got a pen, or oh, I'll text you later. Sometimes you don't want to give no one your phone number, so there you go. This is a great idea. And you keep this, I keep this in my purse, I keep this sometimes in my pocket if I'm not carrying my purse, and I just pull it out and I'm like, here you go guys, here you go. And there you go, that's another tip. Also, I got another tip from one of my subscribers, and they suggested that you get Post-its, little Post-it little papers, and you post it like on the gas pump of your channel, and all your info on the Growing with Lizzie, etc. And you, like, if you're going to a laundry or somewhere, and you just post it and put it anywhere that you go, boom, there you go. That's another, you know, you might grab one or two people there, but it's very important that, you know, you try, at least you try, and you're going out there, and if you have any other ideas, do it. You're promoting yourself, and no one else is going to do it for you. So also I did a video to support other small YouTubers. Now that's a great idea. Like you're sharing their page with your friends, and you're like working together, and you're commenting on their videos, and you're like growing together as well. So that's very important. You want to share love, have your little community, because there are a lot of small YouTubers out there. Get with them. They're willing to help you grow. They're willing to, not that sub for sub, because a lot of people are like, they don't want to be active. No, but I like to be active on other YouTubers' page, and it's wonderful when you guys, you start developing friendships that way. I support that. Like, I support when other small YouTubers are doing that. I don't support that I'll sub for you and sub for you. No, YouTube is not dumb, guys. They will delete that. They will take you off, And if you write certain comments down there, no, don't do it. Share the love, grow together, have our community. That's what it's about. Making ourselves grow together. Growing with Lizzie. That is all it's about, guys. So with that being said, I hope I helped you guys out, because there are a lot of ways. Think about it. You guys are smart. You guys are creative. I'm creative. Just everyone's creative. Think about something, just like I thought about this, about putting this on a little sheet of paper and going out there promoting myself. Word of mouth, everything. Word of mouth, everything. That's the most important thing. So, guys, I love you guys, and continue to support one another, even if you don't have a YouTube channel. Grow, guys, love. Just share the love. That's what it's all about, guys. So I will see you soon, guys, with this weight loss journey that I am so excited. And tomorrow I will be there for the couponing. So bye, guys.